Good morning friends, today it's 13th of October 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. We have seen that Nifty is basically within a consolidation with a range to positive outlook since start of August. In August, the lows was around 24,400 mark for Nifty. It bounced back to 25,200, then slipped down back to 24,478 before reaching the highs of 25,525 levels. At the start of this series, on 30th of September, the index was trading at 24,580 and last week it made a high of 25,464. So we have seen a decent pullback in the index in last 6-7 trading sessions, and it's approaching towards its previous highs of 25,500 mark, which can witness some kind of pause and consolidation phase. Though the outlook remains buy on dip, immediate support at around 25,200 and major around 24,950. Till the time these levels are being held, buy on dips towards these levels can provide a better risk ratio for going long, expecting higher levels of 25,500 followed by 25,850, 26,000 mark. So net we continue to hold the buy on dip outlook for the index for this week as a whole. The silver line between bulls and bears will be around 25,200 Nifty spot levels. Till the time Nifty is holding over and above that level, the index holds buy on dip on all three different time frames. We have seen selective buying in respect with the heavyweight counters, a sector rotations also, which have helped index to hold gains, and we continue to believe the same, that going forward we will be expecting index management through heavyweight counters and sector rotations. Thus, counter-specific momentum-based trading ideas should be looked into rather than the broader outlook over the market. The index sustaining above 25,550 can attract fresh short covering and buying interest in days to come for its previous highs levels, which was around 26,400 odd levels, which was made in September 2024. And that bias will remain valid till the time the index is trading over and above its recent supports of 24,400, 24,300 mark. So net if we see, we believe that this is ongoing consolidation phase since last almost 1 year within a broad trading range of 26,400 and 22,200 odd levels on the lower end, and the bias remains range to up till the time it is holding over and above its immediate support of 24,200 and positional support of 24,000 levels. Bank Nifty has outperformed this month. It is up by 3.6%. It ended last week at 56,600 mark with a gain of 3.6% up. As per the price study, the bias remains range to up over and above 55,000 mark. So dips will be looked for buying, expecting the index to test its previous highs of 57,500 and high levels thereafter. Though in last 2 weeks the momentum has been fast, it has bounced back strongly from the lows of 54,226 to the highs of 56,760. Some retracement and consolidation cannot be ruled out, but as per the price study, the bias remains buy on dip towards the support levels of 55,500 and lower 55,000 mark, maintaining strict stop losses, expecting higher levels in days to come. So initial days sessions for this week can be a range bound sessions, but overall we believe that the bias should emerge from the lower support levels. For the day today, for intraday traders, Nifty futures, which ended last session at 25,411 levels, the bias will be range within a broad range of 25,150, 25,570 with buy on dip outlook towards 25,250 and 25,150, keeping a stop of 50 points. Intraday pullback towards 25,510 and 25,570 can be looked for contra trading short bets. Bank Nifty futures, which ended last session at 56,862, it can be within a range of 56,100, 57,150 for the day today. Dips towards 56,400 and 56,100 can be looked for buying, while intraday move towards 57,150 and 57,320 can be looked for selling, keeping a stop of 100 odd points. So overall we are expecting a range bound trading session under pressure, looking the global market volatility. Just avoid leverage positions, be hedged till the time the index is trading over and above 25,200, 25,000 mark. Nifty holds range to up outlook. Same is the case with Bank Nifty, holding over and above 55,500, 55,000 mark. The bias remains buy on dip for this week as a whole. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.